In this video lecture, we are going to look at else-if statement in C programming language. Alright, so we have looked at if-else statement, and now we have what is called else-if. So else-if is a condition where you have to check multiple entries at a time. So I'll go ahead and remove everything right here. Okay, I'm going to remove everything here, and I'm going to leave x equal to 9. Now let's go ahead and write a condition and say if x is equal to 9, if x is equivalent to 9, then go ahead and print, and I'm going to say the result, the value, so that is, okay, the value of x is 9. So the value of x is 9. Then we can check multiple times. You can't use else at this point. You can't keep using else. So use what is called else if. Now, for you to use else if, I'm going to say else if x is equivalent to, and that's if x is equivalent to 10 or any number or anything. Go ahead and say print, and I'm going to say on condition 1. Okay, I'm just writing anything here, okay? So you're on condition 1, and over here go ahead and put a semicolon again. We can go ahead and copy this, or you go ahead and continue with else if. So else if x is equivalent to 20, print f, I'm going to say you are on condition 2, and this has to be in a string format. So you're on condition 2, so you can keep going and keep going and keep going. And let's go ahead and copy this and try out more other ones. So copy this and go ahead and paste that. So if x is equal to 30 or x is equal to 40, now when any of these conditions is not met, go ahead and use and conclude this with else. So else is go ahead and say you are on no condition. So this is condition. Let's change this to condition 3, and let's change this to condition 4. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check this out. And that is coming up. So where is the problem? So we'll keep a semicolon right here. So ensure the semicolon at the end of your printf, so you don't run into a problem. Go ahead and run the code and check it out. So the value of x is 9 because x is 9. Let's change the value of x. So int x equal to 30. For semicolon at the end, I run this code and check it out. It says you are on condition 3 because 30 is going to give you 3. So that you are on condition 3 because x is equal to 30, And what if your underscore changes to 40? Changes to 40 and run the score and check it out. You are on condition 4. You see that? Now, what if this goes outside 10, 20, 30, and 40? Let's say 100 or 1000, or run the score and check it out. Say you are on, oh, that is on condition. That should be you are on no condition. You are on no condition. So go ahead and run the score and check it out again. So you are on no condition. So I hope that is cool. Go ahead and close this. So in this way, you can be able to use a else if statement multiple times, and you can be able to use it to check out conditions and many things at a time. So I will show you a simpler one in future where we keep moving and keep following the code step by step, and you're going to learn everything you need to become a better C developer. Alright? So this is all about else if statement in decision making in C programming language. And if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.